welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and review Flash Artist Gouache colors. I have purchased this set of 25 colors from Amazon and they are available at a very affordable price of only Rs 700. Now let's unbox the package and see what all shades we have. Every bottle of paint is well intact and came with a seal at the top that prevents the color from drying out. So let's check out all the 25 shades that we have inside the package. In terms of appearance, all the colors are very vibrant and thick. Now let's use these colors on a drawing surface and see how well they turn out to be. I'm going to use a regular drawing book here to try out the colors. And parallelly, let's talk about all the advantages and disadvantages of these colors that I have observed. First of all, let's talk about the consistency. You can directly use these colors on the surface without adding any water to it. So if you are someone who's always confused about the water and color ratio, you can totally skip that step here. Next, let's talk about how well they dilute. These colors are diluting very well on the medium and they do not create any cracks on the surface once they dry up. Next point is the blending ability of these colors. They are super amazing and I will give them full points in terms of blending ability. Another important advantage of these colors is that even if these colors dry out for any reason, like if you leave them open or unused for a very long time, you can easily revive them again. You only need to add a few drops of water to the color and they will turn as good as new. The only disadvantage that I have observed about these colors is in terms of pigmentation. Some of the colors in this package, especially the lighter shades, feels a little bit less pigmented as compared to others. So as a workaround for that, you can try applying a second layer of color on the surface to get a smoother finish. Overall, my rating to these colors is 8 out of 10. Also, if you are already a pro artist and using some other set of professional gouache colors, I would not recommend you to switch to these colors. But if you are a complete beginner and looking for an affordable set of gouache to start with, I would definitely recommend you to choose this set of gouache without a second thought. So here I have completed the demo painting and you can see how it turned out to be. And this was my honest review about the Flash Artist Gouache colors. If you found this video useful, then please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get instant updates of new videos publishing on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.